5 disappearances. Real receipts. Can you solve even one? Tonight, we're counting down 5 vanishing mysteries you still can't explain. Every scene is pulled from police reports, CCTV, or court records. No creepypasta, only what was documented at the time. Rumors muddy these stories, so I'll flag legends and highlight receipts. You'll hear what investigators confirmed and what remains open to debate. Then you decide if it's foul play, human error, or something stranger. Number 5. Brian Shaffer, Columbus, 2006. A med student meets friends at a campus bar called the Ugly Tuna Saloona. Security cameras show him entering near closing time. No camera shows him leaving. Investigators mapped the lounge, escalator, and street-level exits and found blind spots. Construction around service doors likely created unmonitored paths. Search teams combed alleys, rooftops, and nearby rivers. His phone made no confirmed calls that changed the timeline. To this day, the footage ends, and the trail does too. Number 4. Lars Mittank, Varna Airport, Bulgaria, 2014. After a doctor's visit for a minor ear issue, Lars pays his bill and steps into the hallway. CCTV records him suddenly bolting from the terminal. He scales a fence and runs toward open fields before the cameras lose him. Friends later said he sounded anxious on calls, but why he ran remains unknown. Local searches covered roads, warehouses, and tree lines. No confirmed sightings or transactions closed the loop. The last clear receipt is a man sprinting into daylight and vanishing. Number 3. Maura Murray, Haverhill, New Hampshire, 2004. Her Saturn slides off a rural road and hits a snowbank. A neighbor reports the crash and speaks briefly with her. When police arrive minutes later, Maura is gone. Phone records and area searches give no definitive direction of travel. Cadaver dogs, grid teams, and dive crews canvass the region. Investigators preserve timelines, but no single clue unlocks the outcome. A quiet road, a short window, and questions that keep multiplying. If you want line-by-line case files next, hit subscribe. Receipts on screen every episode. Number 2. D.B. Cooper, Pacific Northwest, 1971. A calm man in a suit hijacks a Boeing 727 and demands cash and parachutes. He releases the passengers and orders the crew to fly low with the rear stairs down. Somewhere over Washington state, he jumps into stormy night air. Years later, a child finds bundled bills from the ransom along a riverbank. The serial numbers match. The rest of the money and the man are never confirmed. Dozens of suspects rise and fall, but no identity sticks. It is the only unsolved commercial air hijacking in U.S. history. Number 1. Brandon Swanson, rural Minnesota, 2008. After his car gets stuck on the edge of a field, he calls his parents for help. They stay on the line for nearly 40 minutes as he walks toward town. He describes fences, gravel, and distant lights that don't seem to get closer. Then, a quick exclamation, "Oh, shh," and the call ends. Searchers recover his vehicle and trace footprints in limited sections, but no confirmed path. Fields, drainage areas, and farms are combed season after season. No bank activity or digital trail resolves the mystery. The last receipt is a phone call dropping into silence. Across all 5 cases, a pattern emerges. There's a brief separation from safety or witnesses. A narrow window opens where cameras, phones, or people don't overlap. And in that gap, certainty dissolves. Which case felt most solvable to you? What single detail would you chase first? An exit corridor, a fence line, a bank record, a call ping. Comment vanished with the case you want next. Subscribe for our Missing Persons playlist where every episode starts with on-screen receipts. Watch the end screen for bar camera mysteries and cold case breakthroughs. We'll keep the facts clean, the timelines tight, and the speculation labeled. Until then, stay curious and stay safe.